What's the meaning of choreographer? Choreographer. Choreographer.
Choreographer. Choreographer. A choreographer is a person who creates and designs dance routines. They are responsible for developing the movements, music, costumes, and lighting, and for communicating with dancers to ensure that their vision is realized. Choreographers work in a variety of settings, including theater, film, television, and concert dance. The role of a choreographer is crucial in bringing a dance performance to life, as they use their creativity and technical skills to create a seamless and captivating performance.